Welcome! In front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes on this laptop. So first thing we have to do is open the camera application. To open it, let's go to the start menu. Right here, select camera, open it, and when you're ready to scan your QR code, select this one option right here, barcode, and then prepare your card with the QR code, or just open it up on your phone, make it visible, and then put the QR code next to your laptop's camera. And once your camera detects the link from the QR code, you'll be able to see it at the bottom of the application. Let's do it once again. Let's follow the link, and as you can see, we have just successfully opened a website using a QR code by scanning it on our laptop. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.